Good day, everyone! Welcome to SciTok experiment. Now, I am going to make a water turbine without electricity.
These are the materials needed. Okay, let's get started.
A water turbine is used to convert the energy contained in water, potential energy or kinetic energy, into mechanical or electrical energy. In agriculture, it plays a vital role. Just like hydropower, it provides benefits beyond electricity generation by providing flood control, irrigation support, and can even provide clean drinking water.
Wow, amazing!
The science behind this experiment is that turbines are usually fixed in place, so when a fluid flows through it, there is a drop in pressure at the back edge of each blade that causes the turbine to turn. The principle is the same for air or water, and the faster the medium is moving, the greater the pressure drop, and the faster the turbine spins.